everybody, welcome. Now, before I start today, I've had a parcel come, so I'm just going to show you. I've had this, I've opened it because it's got my address on. I've had this. Oh yes. Got myself an apron. It's all in the taste. On my merch store. Let's do that up. It's really good. It's got let me drop the camera and I'll show you. Got the pockets in it. Save me getting all my stuff dirty, all my clothes when I'm cooking. And I've also got out that one of these, a little tote bag. Quite good, isn't they? I'm in my merch store, just opened my merch store. I'm not making any money on it, well, I'll tell a lie, I'm making £1 on an item because they won't let me do for nothing. I think that's because they have promotions and that on. So, if you're interested, there's links in the description anyway. And today I'm going to be doing, now one of the subscribers told me about this book. I've never heard of it before, ever. And I got it off Amazon. It's about £7 in Amazon, on Amazon. But they also do pre-owned ones there as well. And I got it for £1.50. And that's it there. Kenny McGovern, more takeaway secrets. So I think that'd be a good little book. So I'm going to do something out of it today. I'm going to do something simple, something I've never done before. I've never even tasted it before, and I've always wanted to try one. So I'm going to do that. Deep fried Mars bar. So let's get cooking. Right, first thing I'm going to do before I do anything else, I'll just put some oil in a pan. Because we ain't got a deep fat fry. I don't know if people use deep fat fries anymore. Just put it on a medium heat. So I'm just going to put it on medium. Just to get it started heating up. And I've got 120 grams of plain flour. I've got 60 grams of corn flour. So it just says a pinch of carbonated soda, so I'm just going to use a teaspoon of that. But it says use beer for the batter. I'm not using beer. I know beer comes out nice and fluffy. So I'm just going to use water. And the Mars bar. Chilled, that's in the fridge at the minute, so I'll get that out in the last minute. So in the meantime, I'm going to get all this mixed up. Right, I'm going to put in the flour, the corn flour, get in, and the carbonated soda, but it just says a pinch, so I don't know what I need. I'm just going to put half a tablespoon in. It just says a pinch, so about that I reckon. Put that in. It says mix that first, so I'm going to mix that just to incorporate it, I suppose. And then add the beer, it says, but obviously I'm not using beer. Add the water, a bit at a time. I've got my whisk out in case I need my whisk. My electric whisk. So I'll try with this first. I've mixed the batter. It looks a bit runny to me. But I don't know whether would the beer make it thicker, I suppose, I'm not sure. Well, we'll have a go anyway. Now it says, unwrap a Mars bar and rinse it under the cold water. So I'm going to get a Mars out. Got the Mars. Going from Aldi. Got to use the Aldi home ones really. I'm going to put it under some cold water. Then it says dip in the batter. Now I thought you'd have put flour on that first. But it doesn't say that, so I'm going to dip it in the batter. If it doesn't work, I'll try it with some flour on it first. I thought you'd put flour on this because it won't stick, will it, or won't it? I don't know. It's all coated, looks very thin. If it don't work, I might add some more flour to it. We'll see. We'll find out. Yeah. Right, we're going to stick that in the hot fat now. Right, I'm going to stick that straight in. Yeah, the batter's just running off, but we'll see. I'll always do it again. We'll see what happens. Couple of minutes. And I've just realised I haven't got no kitchen towel. Oh, it's bubbling. That's a start. I'm not going to get it right first time, am I? No way. I don't know how long you're supposed to leave. It says 1 or 2 minutes, so. I'll leave it a little bit longer and we'll check. Can't believe I've got no kitchen roll. I've just been up the shop. There's the first one. Doesn't look very battery, does it? It's all come off the sides, isn't it? And it's all gone in there now, look. Let's get that one out anyway. There's that one. I'm going to do another one. I'm going to do one dipping it in flour. Another Mars bar. Cold water. Flour. And I'm going to stick it straight in. There we go. Can you see that? I'm going to mix that. I think that might be a bit better. And then we're going to stick that straight in then. Let's move the camera so you can see. See how that one comes out. I don't know whether the fat's too high, it's only on medium. Let me know if you've ever made one of these yourself, instead of having one from the chippy. That's floating better, look, already. Don't want to leave it too long. That's better, look at that one. Look at that one with flour on it. Oops-a-daisy. Flour. No flour. Yes. Let's try a Snickers. Battered Snickers. I know these ain't healthy, are they? But I've never tried one. I don't really want to try one, I do. Some flour on it. Shake it off. Get it in there. Get it covered up. Should have enough fat really to do that. Right, let's get this over. Show you. Let's get the Snickers one in. Get a bit more of a cover. Snickers, Snickers. Got stuff everywhere now. At least my t-shirt's staying clean now with me apron. Looking good. I think it's a lot better with a flour on. Or maybe it's because, I don't know, is it because you use beer you don't have to put flour? I'm not sure. Take this out. Oh yes, look at that one. Oh yes. Bit dirty that is now, that oil. It must get dirty pretty quick, that oil. There we go. One, two, three. So, what do we think? The one without any flour, the one with flour, 2 Mars, and then the Snickers. So, let's have a taste test. Let's try first. Let me cut it in half. so we can see the gooiness. Cut them all in half first. So there you go, put that away. There's that one. Nice and soft. Oh wow. That just melts, doesn't it? Oh my God. That is gorgeous. And that's the one without the flour. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. Now the one with the flour. Just a bit more runny, that one, look. I prefer that one without the flour, to be honest. It's a lot more gooey, that one is though. Gotta watch what you're eating here because the calories in these will be horrendous. Now let's try the Snickers. All smells very nutty. Very sticky. They are gorgeous. I just wish I had some kitchen roll to dab the grease off. I've left them for a few minutes and I've dried a bit. Well, they're stunning. First attempt as well. Never done it before. I suppose with beer they'd be gorgeous, but I didn't want to buy beer because I don't drink, so I didn't want to waste it. Well, you had Nat once one of these, I don't know if she's downstairs. Nat, you down here? Right, I've got our Nat and our lad here as well. They're not coming on camera. We're going to do our lad first. Let's cut them in half because they're two different ones. Let's cut them in half. Right. You have that one, son. Yeah. That one, and tell me which one you think's the best, right? Nat, you have this one, Bab. You have that one.
Thank you.
Doesn't really taste for anything.
Don't taste anything. No. That's one without flour on, which is said in the book. Try that one. Don't think it'll taste anything. Can't taste the Mars bar in it.
No.
No?
It's not even, no.
No, you can't taste nothing in it. You're mad. What do you think?
I think it's really nice, but I think it needs a bit more batter on it. Could you do it in 2 layers? Or could you put some batter on it, fry it?
No, you wouldn't be able to do that.
You wouldn't be able to.
No, you wouldn't do that. Now this is a Snickers one.
You could taste it more on this one.
Tastes more than Snickers, yeah,
That's
with the nuts
better
and
one.
that.
Yeah.
And it's more.
More crispier.
I like that one.
Snickers.
That's alright.
Yeah?
Yeah.
There you go. I prefer the Snickers. But it is nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it is nice.
It is nice. There you go, nice simple one. First time doing it. The bookies again. Kenny McGovern. He's got about 5 or 6 books out, I think. And I'm looking forward to doing a few recipes. He's got quite a load. All different ones. I think it's mainly American and loads of Chineses and that in there. So I'll be looking forward to doing some of them. So, as I say, I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time, see you later. Bye bye.